Malacanang assures the public that the recalibration of cabinet secretaries will not affect government projects. In a briefing, Presidential Communications Office Undersecretary Claire Castro guarantees that the administration's programs would not be halted after President Bongbong Marcos ordered all cabinet secretaries to submit their courtesy resignations. This move, according to the president, will give way to revamp his administration following the reportedly disappointing results of the midterm elections. According to Castro, the cabinet secretaries and government personnel will continue working as usual.
Hindi po maaapektuhan kung ano po ang pending at existing projects habang ito ay may transition. At tuloy-tuloy lamang po ang pagtatrabaho ng mga cabinet secretaries at ng mga tao sa gobyerno. At mas maganda po itong mapakita rin ng ating mga heads of agencies, cabinet secretaries, na sila ay naaayon sa goal ng Pangulo. Ipakita nila na sila ay dapat na matantili bilang parte ng administrasyon ng ating Pangulo. Sabi nga natin, walang puwang ang tamad at korap sa administrasyon.
In the same briefing, Castro was asked what specifically prompted President Marcos to order the courtesy resignations. Castro says it was the public's disappointment with the government's performance.